In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headphones to interface. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your headphones to an audio interface is simple, and it is going to be the standard way to monitor audio when recording or mixing. So all that you have to do is locate the headphone output. Usually on the front panel of your specific audio interface, you will see a port labeled as phones, or you will see this headphones icon as an example. All that you have to do is plug your headphones here. In this video, I'm showcasing this being done with the Focusrite Scarlett as an example, but this should work with other audio interfaces as well. The process is similar across different models too. So check the jack size. They usually almost use a professional 1/4-inch stereo jack for the headphone output, but you might have a smaller 1/8-inch or 3.5mm plug. In that case, you need to use an adapter to turn it into a 1/4-inch. So grab an adapter if needed, plug it into the end of the 3.5mm jack, and you will be able to have it converted. Alternatively, just plug it in directly. It should look something like this. Once it is plugged in, you will be able to monitor any of the activity of the Focusrite Scarlett or other audio interfaces with your headphones. So grab the proper adapter and plug your headphones into the 1/4-inch plug. If the plug size is different, of course, then you just need to use that adapter instead. You can turn the dedicated volume knob down or up to adjust the volume, and configure your computer, laptop, or software to better record and monitor the audio. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.